Good morning, dear students. Yesterday I have given you some work that root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, root 7 is irrational. So such type of questions we have done yesterday. Now let's move on the other type of questions of exercise 1.3. After that you have to complete exercise 1.3. See, now they are saying prove that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. As we are doing earlier, the same procedure we will follow here. Let us assume that 5 minus root 3 is rational. If 5 minus root 3 is rational, then 5 minus root 3 is equal to a upon b, where a and b are co-primes. Co-prime means those who don't have any common factor. Then 5 minus what we have done, a upon b, when it will comes here, it becomes minus a upon b, and when minus root 3 will go there, so it becomes root 3. Then root 3 is equal to what we have done, we have taken b as a LCM, 5b minus a. If we will look here, a and b are integers, the right hand side 5b minus a upon b will be a rational number. So which shows that if right hand side is rational, it shows us that left hand side will be always rational. So we can say, which shows that root 3 is rational. But root 3 is irrational. We know that, we have proved it, and you can prove it here also that root 3 is irrational, which contradict our assumption that 5 minus root 3 is rational. So it means our assumption is wrong. Therefore we can say 5 minus root 3 is irrational. What we have done, again I am revising it. Let us assume 5 minus root 3 is rational, so is equal to a upon b. A upon b will go when it will goes there. Okay, so I will revise it. We will revise it again also. See now. Again we have what we have done. 5 minus root 3 is rational. Then 5 minus root 3 is equal to a and b, where a and b are co-prime numbers. 5 minus a upon b is equal to root 3. A upon b comes here, minus root 3 comes there. So 5 root 3 is equal to 5b minus a upon b. A and b are integers. It proves that 5b minus a upon b or 5 minus a upon b is rational, which shows that root 3 is rational, because left hand side is rational, so right hand side is rational, so we can say that left hand side will be rational, which shows that root 3 is rational. But root 3 is an irrational number, we know that, which contradict our assumption that 5 minus root 3 is rational. So we can say, therefore we can say 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Let's take another example. 2 root 3 is irrational. The same procedure, 2 root 3 is rational number. 2 root 3 is equal to a upon b. 2 is in common divide, so root 3 is equal to a upon b. A upon 2b is rational number. A and b both are integers, so we can say that is a rational number. But root 3 is irrational, which contradict our assumption, which shows that our assumption is, which contradict that root 3 is irrational. For our assumption that 2 root 3 is rational is wrong, so we can say that 2 root 3 is irrational. Okay, so you have to complete the exercise 2.3. To complete that exercise today, the same procedure, nothing else we have to do on that. Okay, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay